Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to On Today's recipe. I'm going to show you how to make crispy Southern Hushpuppies. And Hushpuppies is just deep fried cornbread. You can shape them any kind of way. You can roll them into balls or shape them long like a finger. And they're perfect for fish fry or just for a snack. They're going to be so crispy, delicious. And if you're a fan of Hushpuppies, you're going to love this recipe. All right, you ready? Let's go fry some Hushpuppy magic in my Southern kitchen. Alright, in my large bowl I have 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal, and we're going to add in 1/4 cup of self-rising flour, 1 small onion that I grated, 1 jumbo lightly beaten egg. Seasonings, I'm using salt, white pepper, garlic powder, sugar, and a little cayenne pepper. And our last ingredient, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. Oh yes, love, love, love evaporated milk. Gonna stir all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, batter is ready. Nice and smooth. Alright, that looks perfect. And see how quick and easy it was? Alright my friends, I got my canola oil heating up. You want to get it to 365 degrees. So now we're ready to fry. And I want to share you a trick when you're frying your Hushpuppies. I have a glass of water here with a spoon. And we're going to take a little of the batter. And we're going to gently put into the hot grease. Isn't that a neat trick? You don't have to use your hands. And we're going to fry our Hushpuppies until they're nice and golden brown on both sides. Alright my friends, I've taken the Hushpuppies out of the oil. See how nice and golden brown that looks? And I drain them on the wire rag with paper towels and foil to drain the excess grease. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish frying the rest of my Hushpuppies and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Crispy Southern Hushpuppies. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, let's give these puppies a taste. And I made some dipping sauce. I'll post a recipe to that dipping sauce down below in the description box. Lord have mercy. Here we go. Crispy. Look how nice and tender it is on the inside. These Hushpuppies are the bomb.com. Hushpuppylicious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!